All right. Hello, everyone. This is going to be just a real quick video. If you're interested in getting Macs for yourself, I'm just going to show you where you can do that. You by no means are required to do this. We have it on the computers in the lab. You can use it there for free. But if you find yourself wanting to get it to install on your computer, either because you really like it, you want to keep doing more stuff with it, or you want the flexibility of not having to come into the computer lab to work on stuff, this is where you can do that. So you'll go to cycling74.com. Right there, and that is the main page where Macs exists. And there's a lot of stuff here, so I'm just going to point out the important things. So if you click on the Macs tab, you can find a lot of just general information about what Macs is, a lot of things you can do. You can do a lot of stuff with it. It's a lot of fun. We won't go through everything here, but that's there. Rainbow, we aren't going to be working with, so you don't need to worry about that. And then, there's some resources. This is where you can find a lot of tutorials, things like that. Again, just helpful things to have right there. You can find books on Macs if you want, again, more resource. But what I'm going to focus on here is the shop. So if you want to get Macs, there's some ways that you can do that. So again, we aren't going to worry about Rainbow, but if you want to just get Macs normally, there's the cheapest option is a monthly subscription. That's $9.99 a month, and then you could just cancel it after the end of the semester, so it would be at most like $40. Again, you don't have to do any of this, but you can. You can if you want. Notice, though, there's no educational discount on the subscription. That is going to exist here. If you just click on the discounts for students and teachers, you can only get it at an annual subscription or a just permanent license. So if you wanted to get it for an entire year, that's $60. If you just want to have it, it's $250. Again, you don't need to do this, but I'm just giving you the option. Other than that, you can do a trial version, but you can't save patches or anything, so that's not really useful for you there. If you happen to have Ableton Live already, you again can get a discount there from the permanent license. It's even for a permanent license, it's even cheaper than the student discount. So if you happen to have Ableton Live, you would need to have your serial number for some of that, and you can get it for the second most expensive option. If you've got Max 7 or another version, you can upgrade it there. If you've got one of the older versions, you're probably going to do that there. But those are the ways that you can purchase that. You'll have to make an account and do all the things. Again, you're not required in any way to purchase Macs. You will need the textbooks for this course. But for Macs itself, we have that in the computer lab on campus, so you do not have to buy it. But if you want to, here is the option for that. So if you have any questions, let me know. And that's all I have for this one. So I'll see you the next time I see you. Bye.